Thinking of investing in Spanish property for rental income? You need to hear this. Spain introduced a new rental law with good intentions to protect vulnerable tenants, but 2 years later we are seeing the consequences, and they are not what the government expected. But before we dive in, if you are planning to buy, sell or invest in property here in Spain, especially in Alicante, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share weekly updates on the Spanish market, local real estate tips, and real stories to help you avoid mistakes and make smarter moves. I'm Andrea Comelli, your real estate agent based in Alicante, and today I explain why you need to be more careful than ever when buying property to rent out in Spain. According to a recent analysis by Realtor.com, one of Spain's most trusted real estate platforms, the law has backfired, creating fear, confusion, and making life harder for landlords and tenants alike. What the law changed and why it's a problem. In 2023, Spain passed the Ley de Vivienda, a housing law aimed at protecting tenants from rent increases, evictions, and unfair practices. But here's what actually happened. Landlords lost legal security, rental supply dropped significantly, demand skyrocketed, creating bidding wars for available units. Vulnerable tenants, the very people the law was supposed to help, are now being rejected more often. Why? Because now landlords are afraid of renting to anyone without solid income, perfect paperwork and guarantees. The law made evictions harder, increased the risk of non-payment and removed tax incentives. So owners are either leaving the rental market or moving to alternatives like room rentals, temporary stays or co-living. Who's being hurt and how investors feel? Idealista reports that many landlords are small property owners, seniors, retirees or people who rely on rental income to survive. Now these people are exposed. If a tenant stops paying rent, it can take up to 2 years to legally recover the home. This isn't just theory. It's happening in cities like Alicante, Valencia and beyond. And while the law was designed to create fairness, it's made the market even more competitive and more hostile. Landlords are now treating all renters as potential risks. That's not good for anyone. What should you do as a smart investor? So, if you're buying a property to rent in Spain, what can you do? First, always verify tenant income. Request tax returns, contracts, bank statements. Second, get rent guarantee insurance. This can cover months of unpaid rent and legal costs. Third, work with a lawyer, someone who protects your side of the deal. Yes, I'm an agent, but even I would hire a lawyer if I were buying a rental property here, because the law has changed and you need someone watching your back. Idealista say it best: without landlords willing to rent, there is no market. If we treat owners like the enemy, they will stop participating and everyone loses. So if you are planning to invest in Alicante or anywhere in Spain, do it smart. Get advice, protect your investment, and understand the real risk and responsibility of being a landlord today. My contact info is below. If you want to talk about safe rental strategies or get a market analysis, book a free consultation. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more real estate updates from Alicante and beyond. And hey, if you don't want to wait for the next video, check out the tour right here. See you soon, or maybe here in Alicante. Adios, bye for now.